we're live.
Greetings, everybody. Welcome to an American Math, how to use this playbook, this play journal lesson. This lesson will be for our activity book called US Measure, the Inch Decoded. And this is a fun game that we're about to play. It's a very fun activity, very easy to do, called number play. Now, we're going to start off with step one. I'm sure you're familiar with the simple trace activity. And all you're going to do is trace your number. And then step two, we're going to trace bit numbers while counting aloud. And then step three, we're going to do what's called color count, where we're going to count the domino dots. Why? While counting aloud. We're going to color and count them aloud. And then lastly, we're going to do step four, which is to color our math toys. So let's move on. Okay, here we go. This is step one. We're going to do what's called number trace. So we're going to trace our number two. And the key is to have fun here. Doesn't have to be perfect. All they have to do is have fun. Now, right now, these are arbitrary numbers. So this is a quantity of two. And we're going to do what's called trace count. So as you trace, you just count aloud. One, two. That was easy. And this is our domino dice activity where we are going to count aloud while coloring. So this is another color count activity. So we're going to color one, two. That's easy. And then we're going to come over here. Remember step four? We're going to color our math toy cubes. So here at American Math, we call math linking cubes or math cubes. We call them math toys. What color do I want to color this? I think I'm going to color it. Let me see what color. I'm going to color it yellow. Remember? You don't have to color it yellow. You can have any color you like. Just have fun. So I'm going to color in two cubes. Let me change my color. Here we go. Okay. So there's one cube. And there's two cubes. It's just that easy. Let's try another one. I'm going to have fun with the number three. We're going to trace count the number three. Well, actually, we had to trace the number three. Now we're going to trace count. Here's when we trace count because we have to trace one, two, three. Now, these two lines right here represent two fingers. Let me see if I can draw two fingers. Uh-oh. Let me go back. Two fingers. It looks like a cute little rabbit. I need to work on my fingers. And this little dot right here could represent drawing a bead or math toy, or that could also be, or it could represent one finger. But the reason why we have two lines here is because that represents a group of two. So together, one group of two plus one equals three. One, two, three. All right, here we're gonna color count. You know what? I want to use a different color this time. This time I'm going to use the color blue. I'm going to count color count. There's one, two, three. And then we have to come down here and count our math linking cubes, or math toys. What color would you all like to count? Color those? I think I'm going to try purple this time. Okay. One, two, and three. All right, let's do the last one. Four. So we're going to number trace. Number trace. Oh, number trace the number four. Okay. Now, this is actually the number four as well, and it represents a unit of measure in American math system called the palm. And the reason it's called the palm is because the palm is your hand. And imagine if your thumb is tucked in and you're only using four fingers. So these four fingers represent the palm. So that's what this number right here represents. Four. Okay. That's part of the American math system. That's the Bitric numerals. That's the Bitric number four. Okay. And now we have to do our domino dice color count. What color are we going to use this time? Let's go for a nice orange. Okay. One, two, three, and four. Now let's count our other math toy. Ooh, we have our counting cubes. I think I want to color, I want to use a nice brown. I'm going to color four cubes brown. Make sure you color count. Two, three, and we have one more to color for this one. And lastly, we're going to do the number four. One, two, three, and here we go. Four. Okay, to recap and review. First, number trace. Second, Bitric number trace. Third step is to dice domino color count. And lastly, math linking cues number count. I hope you had fun. This activity is in the Fun American Math, the Inch Decoded Play Journal. You can look for it and find it on Amazon, and you can begin your learning journey with American math. Hope you have fun. See you next time. Happy learning.